Are you looking for traditional drumstick recipe? Here we present tasty drumstick coconut stir fry recipe, usually served along with rice for best taste. Let's move to the video. In a container, take some water and drumstick pieces. Add 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 6 minutes. In a grinder, take 2 cups of grated coconut, add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin seeds, slightly grind it. Now in a pan, heat 1 tablespoon oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, add 15 pounded shallots, 1 chopped green chilli, 1 sprig of curry leaves. Mix it well. Cook for 3 minutes on medium flame. Now add 1 teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon pepper powder. Mix it well. Serve it on low flame for 1 minute. Add the grated coconut mixture. Mix it well. Cook on low flame for 3 minutes. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Now add the boiled drumstick pieces. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 7 minutes on high flame. Make it dry and avoid water content. Coconut mixture has coated over the drumstick. Switch off the flame. Our tasty Kerala style drumstick thoran recipe is ready. Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.